What you see here is the hospital in Erwin, Tennessee, during the flooding from the hurricane. It's so devastating to see how bad this really was. The video here is AccuWeather, is where I got it from a police video, helicopter video, and a rescue of people on the roof of the hospital, the doctors and patients. There was 50 plus people that was stuck up there. So much rain, so much water to cover up an entire house, two-story house, except for just the top of it. The destruction is just so devastating and heartbreaking.